Good evening, friends. Today we are going to learn some shortcuts of mathematics, some shortcut tricks for UPSC, SSC, banking, railways, Olympiad. Even it is useful for school going children who are learning these upstream and downstream problems of speed, velocity, etc. Now we are going to learn some traditional methods also, and we are going to show you the comparison between the shortcut and the traditional time. Of course, the traditional time is much longer, much longer than you can expect. If you use the shortcuts, then you will learn, you will be able to finish it, the competitive exams, in short span of time. So we will just start, friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel as of now, please do it as early as possible so that we can provide you with a lot of videos like this, tutorials like this, so that you can learn lots of shortcut formula. So let's start, friends. Here we are. This is type 1. We are going to learn few types. Type 1 says that this is the sample problem. A person can go x kilometer per hour downstream. Downstream means with the current, and y kilometer per hour upstream. Upstream means against the current. Then what is the speed of the current? We'll simply use this formula, x minus y by 2. For example, a person named Adrish can row at 10 km per hour upstream and 22 km per hour downstream. What is the speed of the current? Now we simply put this formula, 22 minus 10 by 2, that is equal to 6 km per hour. Type number 2. A takes n times as long as to row upstream, up the stream, than to row down the stream. If the speed of the river or speed of the current is a kilometer per hour, what will be the speed of A in still water? A means here the person. So we can use the formula, shortcut formula, that is n plus 1 by n minus 1 into A. Here is the example. Albert takes 7 times. 7 times means this one, n times. So 7 times as long to row up than to row down the stream. Now if the river current flows at 12 km per hour, what will be the speed of Albert in still water? So it is 12 into 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 minus 1 is 6. So it makes it 16 km per hour. Just this much. Have you seen this much only? We won't have to use so much of traditional method, then find this. It's a very long time. So we just use this formula. You can match it with your traditional formula. You can finish it up within no time. Type 3. It's given the speed of a boat in still water and the speed of the stream. The speed of the boat is x and speed of the stream is y. A boat goes d kilometer and returns back. So once it goes upstream d kilometer and then returns d kilometer downstream. You are asked to find the total time taken. So we can use the formula 2 into d into x by x square minus y square. So example is Alan rows 6 km per hour in still water when the current is running at 1.2 km per hour. This had come in RBI exam in 2001. It takes him 1 hour to row to a place and back. How far is the place? So here we have to find D. D is equal to time into, this is time. Now D was given here. Now here we are using how to find the time, but here we have to find the distance. So we just make it reverse. Distance is equal to time into x square minus y square by 2 into x. Just that much. So we put the values and we get the answer. Type number 4. Given the speed of the boat or person in still water is x km per hour. If a person swims, that means, and the speed of the stream be y km per hour, then average speed of the journey upstream and downstream will be x plus y into x minus y by x. Here example, Ajay swims in still water at 8 km per hour and speed of the current is 2 km per hour. Find the average speed if he swims to a certain point and back. So average speed is 8 plus 2 into 8 minus 2 by 8, that is 60 by 8, that is equal to 7.5 km per hour. We come to type number 5. A takes AR to reach a point downstream and takes BR to get back to the starting point upstream. If speed of the stream be x km per hour, find the speed of A in still water. So formula is x into A plus B by B minus A. This is an example. Alfred takes 6 hours to travel downstream from a lighthouse and takes 9 hours to reach back. If the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, find the speed of the man in still water. So 3 into 9 plus 6 by 9 minus 6. So here it is 3 cut. So this is 15 km per hour. Now type number 6. Speed of the boat in still water is given and speed of the current is given, x and y. What will be the distance of the boat upstream and downstream? It can be asked either the distance of the boat upstream or distance of the boat downstream or both in m minutes. So if we have to find the downstream distance, it will be y plus x into m by 60. Why by 60? Because this is in minute. We have to convert it in hours. Upstream distance is equal to x minus y into m by 60. So speed of the boat in still water is 15 km per hour and boat is 3 km per hour. The distance traveled downstream if total time is 12 minutes. So here it is only asked about downstreams. Total time is 12 minutes. So 15 plus 3 into 12 by 60, that makes it 18 by 5, that is 3.6 kilometer. Now type 7. The speed of the boat in still water is a km per hour and speed of stream is b km per hour. If the boat covers d kilometer distance and returns back, the time taken is by the formula. This is our shortcut formula, 2 into d into a by a square minus b square. Now the value given, if this is the sum and value of a is 6, value of b is 1.5 and the distance traveled is 22.5 kilometer. Now using traditional method, how much time will it take? The speed upstream we have to find out. 6 minus 1.5, that is 4.5 km per hour. Speed downstream is equal to 6 plus 1.5, that is 7.5 km per hour. Therefore total time taken. So total, the distance is 22.5 km divided by speed upstream, that is the distance, total time, and again to 22.5 means upstream as well as downstream. 22.5 by 7.5, that makes it 5 plus 3, that is 8 hours. Now we show you the shortcut using this formula. So it is 2 into 22.5 into 6 by 6 square minus 1.5 square. So 2 into 22.5 is 45 into 6, and this is a square minus b square. We can put it a plus b into a minus b. it makes it 8 hours. So here we get just at one shot, and here we have to use so much hard work. So if you really like the video, please share the channel, please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot once again, and all the best to you guys. Thank you.